Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on that BMW 328xi E90 model guys. We'll show you how to install new rear shocks on that thing. Yeah, probably trying to hear, but it's not working. A little bit noisy here. That's the new one we got guys. Let me show you one of the old ones, what it looks like in a little bit. Whoever had that car, they had no idea about cars obviously, and that's why the car was wrecked as well. We got two shocks, brand new ones, pretty good. I mean, they're not factory shocks, they're aftermarket shocks, but we used them in the past and we're happy with that company. Okay, that's the rear shock right there, and let us show you. We already replaced one. Let us show you what it looks like, the one on the other side. I mean, it's completely shot right here. You can see this thing. I don't know how they drove that car. Look at that thing. Done. I mean, everything's broken. Everything you can think of is broken. So stay with us now. We're gonna go ahead and show you how we are going to replace it. Not very complicated at all. We will need to start on the interior of the vehicle first so we can reach the nuts. So we're gonna open the trunk now and we need to remove that side panel there so we can reach to the shock. Okay, we're gonna get the cover there for the spare tire or compartments. You can see right here the trunk compartment. We need to remove that cover. That's for the battery right here. Now we need to put the seat down. Okay, like that. And there is a couple clips and bolts that we'll need to remove so we can get to the nut for the shock. Okay, that one there. It's with T40. Okay, this one there, and we're gonna pull it out now. Somehow it turns to the right, I think. One way. Those could be a little bit complicated. A little bit of things like that gives you the most headache sometimes, guys. Okay, like that, and now it needs to go down, and it will come out. Okay, and it came out. Now there is one clip right here that we will need to remove. Okay, so we just pull that one out, and there is one right here too. Okay, let me show you the one right there. Okay guys, so now right there, that cap, when we remove it, that's the shock absorber right there. And this one is with a 16mm socket. Okay, we're gonna take it off now. And if it's spinning, like ours is, you can use a small 6mm socket on top to hold the, the strut you can see, and you're going to use the wrench on the bottom. Okay, so we can take it off. This one will take a while, but once it gets going, usually goes pretty easy. Okay, almost there now. Okay, that's what the nut looks like. It's done here, so we're gonna go to the outside now. Okay, need to jack it up now. Use the jack stand guys, never rely on the jack itself. Okay, and we're gonna take the wheel off now. That way it will be easier to work on. We already got those loose, so we can save you a little bit of time. Okay. Got the tire out. And now you can see that's where the shock is right here. You can see how bad that thing is. I mean, I just don't know how they did that. Okay, now we're underneath right here, guys, with a 17mm. And we're gonna take it off. If it's spinning, again, you can use the same thing. It's almost out. Okay, nut is out. That's what it looks like. And now we'll have to take it off. We're gonna start from the top like that. Okay, and we need to just wiggle it up out of there. It's still stuck. Pretty good. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's the old piece of junk right here. You can see, terrible. I mean, look at that thing. I don't know, that's why. Okay, check it out. It came in 2 pieces. And no kidding, we bought that thing wrecked. I mean, how you can drive that, I don't know. But people are dumb and they do that. And that could cost their wife and somebody else's wife as well. Okay guys, we're ready to install the new shock now. What we'll need to do, we need to unhook that metal piece here. Okay, and unfortunately, we'll install zip ties here. Don't blame us, we're gonna replace that next week. The shock absorber here, I mean the cover right here, the dust, that preventing dust and they're going in, it's broken and we didn't know about it, so we'll go ahead and buy one, but it will take about a week to get here. But always we recommend go with a new kit. That's the best way to do it. And as you can see, otherwise you're gonna run into something and you won't be able to use your car for another week, or if you're lucky you might have it at a parts store or the dealership, but where we live we have to wait. So we have it like that now, and we'll need to go ahead and compress it quite a bit now down so we can get it in there. Okay, and the easiest thing to do will be to get it there on the bottom first, make sure it's in the hole. Now we're gonna get the top. Okay, let it go like that, make sure it goes where it's supposed to go. You can see. And now we're just going to go ahead and get the bolt on the bottom tight right there. So get this one tight, really good. You have to use a ratchet on this one, or if it's spinning you can hold it with the little 6mm socket. Okay, getting it tight now. And we will have to go ahead and do the one inside right here. So I'm gonna go from the other side to show you guys how to do that now. We have many videos on that E90 BMW, so feel free guys to check it out, and we'll have more in the future for sure. And we're going to go ahead and install the nut here. And just get this one tight as well. Again, if it's spinning, you will need to catch it with that 6mm on top. Okay, getting this one tight, we're gonna hold it now at the end with the little socket so we can make sure that it's tight and it's not spinning. And we'll have to go ahead and install the covers and that, guys, but you do it in reverse order that we took it apart. Install the tire, and this will be the whole procedure, guys. So hopefully the video was helpful, guys.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.